In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sessions and capture logs in Zoho Assist. By the end, you'll know how to document your remote support work for audits and training, and how to pull the right logs when you need to troubleshoot the tool itself. Let's start with recording your remote support or unattended access sessions. Begin by initiating a session the way you normally would, either by selecting Start Now or launching a scheduled session. Once the session window is open, look for the Session Recording option. You'll find it in the session window or within the Settings panel. Turn it on, and, if available in your setup, choose the recording quality that best fits your needs, such as a higher resolution for detailed demos, or a lower one to keep file sizes smaller. From here, proceed with your support tasks as usual. The recording runs in the background and won't interrupt your workflow. When you're finished assisting, end the session normally, and the recording will be saved automatically. To access and manage your recordings afterward, head to the Reports tab inside Zoho Assist. This is your central hub for reviewing your session history. There, you can view the recorded sessions, download the video files for documentation or training, and filter results by technician, date, time, and other attributes to quickly find what you need. These recordings are stored securely in the Zoho cloud, which helps support audit trails, quality analysis, and clear documentation of the steps taken during support. Now, if Zoho Assist itself isn't behaving as expected and you need logs for troubleshooting, you can capture local log files. On Windows, the log location depends on how Zoho Assist is running. If it is not running in service mode, open File Explorer and navigate to the following path. %local app data %Zoho meeting/log. If it is running in service mode, which is typical for unattended access, go to %program data %Zoho meeting log. These folders contain the log files that help identify what's happening behind the scenes. You can provide these to your internal team or to support when you need deeper diagnosis. Remember that logs are sensitive operational records, so handle them according to your organization's data policies. That's it. Record your sessions for documentation and review them through the Reports tab, and when troubleshooting, grab the correct logs based on whether Zoho Assist is running in service mode. Follow these workflows and you'll have clear, compliant documentation and faster resolutions when issues arise.